So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic electrolysis. So guys, this video will be all about electrochemical cells. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this will be important for you even as you prepare for your JAMB examination. So guys, let's start with the first question here. It says, in which type of cell does electrolysis take place? So options: A, electrochemical cell; B, electrolytic cell; C, voltaic cell; D, galvanic cell. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's the electrolytic cell. Electrolysis actually occurs in an electrolytic cell. So that's the answer to this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 2. It says, okay, in the process of silver plating a metal M, the metal M is the A, cathode, and an alternating current is used; B, anode, and a direct current is used; C, cathode, and a direct current is used; D, anode, and an alternating current is used. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. A direct current is passed into the setup of an electroplating of metal M by placing it in cathode. So during electrolysis, it is a direct current that is passed through the electrolyte. So that's it guys for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 3. It says, which of the following is an example of a primary cell? A, alkaline battery; B, fuel cell; C, lithium ion battery; and D, lead acid battery. So guys, primary cells are non-rechargeable batteries, and the alkaline battery is a common example of this primary cell. So that's option A here. Let's consider the next question. Question number 4. It says, which element is placed at the top of the electrochemical? A, copper; B, sodium; C, oxygen; D, hydrogen. So guys, in the electrochemical series, also known as the reactivity series, sodium is actually placed at the top. The electrochemical series is a list of elements in the order of their standard electrode potential. So elements at the top of this series are more reactive and have greater tendency to lose electrons and form positive ions. So sodium is the one which is at the top of this electrochemical series. Out of the options we have here, we have copper, we have sodium, we have oxygen, we have hydrogen. So guys, sodium is the answer to this question, and that's option B here. So let's consider the next question. Question number 5. It says, crude copper could be purified by the electrolysis of concentrated copper 2 chloride if the crude copper is A, dissolved in the solution; B, made both the anode and the cathode; C, made the cathode; D, made the anode. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's made the anode. In the electrolysis of copper 2 chloride, crude copper is actually made the anode. So the impure copper anode dissolves into the solution to form copper 2 ions, which are then reduced at the cathode to form pure copper. So that's it about this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 6. In recharging a lead acid accumulator, the reaction at the cathode can be represented as, so we have a couple of options here from A, B, C, and D here. But guys, looking at this, we already know that the answer to this question will be option C here, because we understand that the gain of electron occurs at the cathode. So reduction takes place here at the cathode. So in charging the lead acid, we'll have this lead ion reduced by the gain of electron to give us this lead here. So guys, that's the answer to this question. That's this option C here, because reduction, like we said, takes place in the cathode. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 7. It says, Chlorine is manufactured industrially by the electrolysis of A, sugar, B, brine, C, water, D, urine. So guys, always take note of this. You might have seen this question a number of times, even in some other topics. So we should take note that chlorine is manufactured industrially by the electrolysis of brine. So guys, that's option B here in this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 8. It says the function of zinc electrode in galvanic cell is that it A, produces electrons, B, serves as the positive electrodes, D, uses up electrons, C, undergoes reduction. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, that produces electrons. In the galvanic cell, the zinc electrode acts as the anode, which is the site of oxidation. So it actually releases electrons. So guys, during oxidation, the zinc will have to lose electron in order to become zinc ions. Therefore, it produces electrons, and that's the answer to this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 9. It says lead acid accumulator is an example of A, primary cell, B, tertiary cell, C, primary and secondary cell, D, secondary cell. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's secondary cell. A lead acid accumulator is an example of a secondary cell. Actually, we know that secondary cells are rechargeable batteries. So in these batteries, the chemical reactions that occur at the electrodes are reversible. So when the battery is discharged, the chemical reaction can be reversed by applying an external electrical power source. So in that case, charging the battery. So that's it for this question. The lead acid accumulator is an example of a secondary cell. So we are here with the last question in this video, and that's question number 10 here. It says the reaction that takes place in a Daniell cell is A, double decomposition, B, neutralization, C, redox, D, direct combination. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's the redox reaction. So in a Daniell cell, the reaction that takes place is actually a redox reaction. At the anode, we have an oxidation process, and then at the cathode, we have a reduction process. That's the oxidation process occurring at the zinc anode, and then the reduction process occurring at the copper cathode. So guys, that's it for that question, and this is where we end this video guys for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, you can help us gain more views by sharing this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people out there. So we also want to encourage you guys to join our YouTube channel membership by clicking on the join button below in order to gain access to all our premium information on JAMB updates. So guys, this will be helpful even as you prepare for your JAMB examination. So that will be all for this video guys. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.